Today we are making homemade sun-dried tomatoes, and I am so excited to share with you how easy this is because they are so delicious. They taste so much better than store-bought. We are harvesting paste tomatoes like San Marzano and Roma. These tomatoes are the best ones because they are firm, they have a lower water content, and the flavor is amazing. And here at So Right Seeds, we have several paste tomato varieties for you to choose from. When you are slicing the tomatoes, be sure to slice them lengthwise and scoop the seeds out. This will help them dry faster and keep the flavor nice and concentrated. Next, place the tomatoes skin side down on a dehydrator tray or baking sheet. You want them to be evenly spaced so that they have good airflow. You can also use a low temp in an oven or even sun dry them outside if you live in a hot, dry climate. I like to season mine lightly with salt and pepper and dry them until they are leathery but not brittle. You can store the tomatoes in an airtight container or pack them in olive oil with herbs, which is my favorite way to do this. The oil becomes nice and infused with a rich tomato flavor. There are so many delicious ways that you can use these sun-dried tomatoes. They're excellent in pasta of any kind. You can put them on pizza and bruschetta and flatbreads. They are delicious in sauces and are great on sandwiches or paninis. This is a great way to preserve your harvest and enjoy your tomatoes year-round. If you have not made your own sun-dried tomatoes before, you have got to try it. You are going to love them. Be sure to subscribe and watch for more garden-to-table recipes.